I will let you know when that time is every cooking day, okay? Usually you get to leave it on until the very end of the class period. Aren't you lucky?
Yeah.
Aren't they beautiful?
Yeah.
You just know how much you love to wear them. Okay, so here we go. We wring out our dishcloth, and you wipe down all your counters and the table where you were eating, sorry, ready? And these counters and your stove top so that I can't see where you were prepping food at all. Okay? Then you dump out your bucket of water on the side with the garbage disposal. Right, Brady? Because you could have chunks of food in your soapy water, right? You dump it out, you make sure it drains all the way. If you need to run the garbage disposal, you can run the garbage disposal, okay? Give your bucket a little rinse, make sure there aren't any chunks of food in there. And then you leave the bucket leaning on the sink like that, okay? And you take your drying towel and you wipe all the water around the sink and behind the sink on the backsplash, okay? So that it looks nice and shiny and pretty over here. Sometimes we even wipe inside the sink, okay? Pretty much so that it looks like a brand new sink, so it's, whoa, that was almost bad. So that it's ready to go for the next class period. Does that make sense? Okay. Where do you think I take my dishcloths and my dish towels now that they're dirty?
The washer.
Who said washer? Michael, you get $1 million. Just kidding. Yes, the washer. Do you remember where the washer is located?
Yeah.
Thank you. Yes, on that side of the room, the stackable washer and dryer, the washer is on the bottom. They should usually always be dirty in there. You just toss them in and you're good to go. Okay? Now my kitchen looks good. I'm all checked out for the day. I can take my apron off and then you'll be free to go. Okay? All right.